showing us all her tips with her conkers later morning.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. And here is one here, a fine specimen of a conker, nice and shiny, nice and solid. And if you want to make yours solid, keep them for a year, paint them with varnish, put them in the oven or soak them. Now, I'm at Morden Hall Park this morning in South London. It used to be a deer park. It is stunningly beautiful and now it's owned by the National Trust. It's a misty start, but look at the view behind me. You can just maybe make out the bridge just right behind me. Lovely, lovely tranquil scene this morning. The weather, well, there's quite a bit of low cloud around this morning as well as mist and fog. So for many parts of the UK, it's a dull start. Now we've got some dense patches of fog, for example, around the Bristol area. We've also got some fog around Edinburgh Airport just now, parts of Northern England, the Midlands as well, and East Anglia. And as we go through the course of this morning, that and the low cloud will tend to thin, break and lift, allowing some sunny spells to develop. Now there is a chance we could see some showers developing also across parts of eastern England, but they will be fairly hit and miss. And the other thing that's going to happen is the wind will start to pick up across western Scotland and Northern Ireland, but it's a southerly wind, so it's a warmer wind. In fact, this afternoon in Scotland it's going to be mostly dry with bright or sunny skies, highs up to 18 Celsius in Glasgow and Edinburgh. For Northern England, a similar story, sunny spells developing, but across the eastern counties of England, down towards East Anglia, we are at risk of the odd shower. Most of us will miss them, but you could catch one, and in East Anglia, it could be sharp. From the Midlands down towards the south coast, again, sunny spells developing. We're looking at highs between 18 and about 21. And as we move over towards southwest England and also Wales, it's a similar story in that we'll see some sunshine coming through and it will feel pleasant in that sunshine. Particularly this late in September, we're seeing temperatures above average. For Northern Ireland, sunny afternoon for you too, but we are looking at that wind strengthening, but it's a southerly wind as I mentioned before, so feeling pleasant with highs in Belfast up to about 16. Now through the evening and overnight we'll once again have the mist and fog reforming. There'll be some low cloud developing across east and southeast England as well, and the wind is going to strengthen across southwest England and Northern Ireland. Could have coastal gales actually, and by the end of the night we'll be seeing the first signs of some rain coming in. That rain will very slowly move eastwards as we go through the course of Wednesday, but you can see its progress isn't fast. And ahead of it, although it's going to be a dull start with the mist and fog and the low cloud, that will give way to some sunny skies coming through. And tomorrow we could hit highs of 21 or 22, for example, once again in the southeast. Now later on in the day, another weather front comes in, but what you'll find is overnight, Wednesday into Thursday, the rain continues to journey eastwards. We'll be left it across northeast England first thing in the morning, northeast Scotland I should say. Behind it a ridge of high pressure also builds in, so things settle down, another dry and fine day. Still quite high temperatures for this stage in September. Outside chance of a shower, no more than that, and then the front I was talking about comes in from the west later in the day. And in fact, Dan and Naga, that's the sequence. We're seeing some fronts coming in from the west, moving eastwards, but it looks a little bit more unsettled towards the end of the weekend and into next week as well. But I'll keep you posted on that in the coming days.
We'll keep an eye on it as well. Carol, thanks very much.